Before we even start, quick heads up. Right now, you can get 20% off on all plans on Top Media by using the code DEALDROPS. But you have to access it through the link in the description. Now, don't skip this part because what I'm about to show you might actually change how you create content completely. Imagine this. You want to make a video. You need background music, a voiceover, visuals, editing, basically a full production team. Normally, that means hours of work or spending money hiring people. But what if you could do all of that in just a few minutes by yourself? Sounds unrealistic, right? That's exactly what I thought too. Because let's be honest, content creation is not easy. Editing takes forever. Finding the right music is frustrating, copyright issues are always there, and hiring voice artists can get expensive really fast. And even when you try AI tools, most of them either feel limited, confusing, or just not good enough to actually use in real content. I've personally tested a lot of tools, and most of them end up being just okay at one thing but useless for everything else. So you're constantly switching between platforms, wasting time, and still not getting the result you want. But then I came across TopMediai, and this one actually surprised me. What makes it different is simple. It's not just one tool. It's like having an entire AI studio in one place. Everything you need to create content is already there, and it actually works together smoothly. Let me break it down for you. First, the AI music generator. Instead of searching for hours trying to find the perfect track, you just type what you want. Something like motivational background music or cinematic trailer vibe. And it creates original music for you. No copyright issues, no stress, and it actually sounds good. Then comes the AI video generator. And this is where things get really interesting. With newer models like Cdance 2.0 available on the platform, you can generate videos using AI that are actually usable in real content. Not those weird, glitchy clips, but something clean, modern, and visually appealing. Now let's talk about voiceovers. This is one of my favorite parts. You just paste your script, choose a voice, and within seconds, you get a natural, professional-sounding voiceover. No mic, no recording setup, no background noise. Especially if you're running a faceless channel or making content regularly, this saves a massive amount of time. And the best part? Everything is inside one dashboard. Music, video, voiceover, all in one place. You don't need to open 5 different tabs or learn complicated software. It's simple and efficient. So I decided to test it myself properly. I tried creating a full video using only this platform. I wrote a short script, generated a voiceover, added background music, and created visuals, all using TopMediai. And honestly, the result was better than I expected. But the craziest part? It took me less than 10 minutes. Normally, creating something like that would take at least an hour, sometimes even more, depending on the editing. But here, everything felt fast, smooth, and easy to use. Now, I'm not saying it's magic or perfect, no tool is. But for what it offers, it's easily one of the most complete AI content tools I've used so far. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, freelancer, or even just starting out, this can seriously simplify your workflow, especially if you're trying to stay consistent and upload more content without burning out. And again, this is where the timing matters. Right now, you can get 20% off on all plans, including yearly and lifetime options. Just use the code DEALDROPS, but make sure you go through the link in the description so the discount applies properly. So if you've been thinking about trying AI tools or upgrading your content game, this is actually a really good opportunity to get in at a lower price. I've left the link in the description. Go check it out, try it for yourself, and see what you can create. And don't wait too long because once the coupon expires, you're paying full price.